Don't let this fool you. This is not Coca-Cola. We're tasting my porter today. Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Derica, and you're watching City Steading Brews.
Oh, on or about something in August, we made a beer. Not just any beer, a porter, a dark beer. I don't make light beers. I like dark beers. Now I'm going to open it. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay. We had another one recently that just... It overflowed. Oh, see, this one's starting to go. Let me pour some.
Vaughn is excited.
It's pretty well carbonated. Look at that. Got a decent head to it. Retention seems to be good. It's not just going away. There's science behind that, and I forget exactly what it is, but it has something to do with proteins, I believe, that if the proteins are properly fermented and things like that, the head actually stays. I read something about that the other day. As you can tell, I'm such an expert on beers. I'm good at making them, and I know what they're supposed to taste like, but as far as like the science behind it, still learning. But anyway, this is my porter, and it really does look like Coca-Cola in the glass. It totally does.
It is super dark.
Oh, wow. Okay, if you remember, this was a bunch of different grains put together. We did a making of video. We did a racking it video. Racking and bottling, I should say. And this has been sitting for a while, then we put one in the fridge, and we're going to drink it.
If you missed any of those previous videos, Brian's going to link them for you in the description below.
Yep. Alright, so first thing, we talked about the head retention. It's still mostly there, as you can see. Smell. It's got a good, strong, malty, grainy, rich smell. This is... I'm really pleased with the way this one smells. Now, funny thing, why is this a porter and not a stout? Because it's only 3 to 3.5%. That's why. A stout is usually like 7, 8, 9, even higher percentage. This is low. This is meant to be drank, and you want to be able to have a few glasses of it without, getting trashed. So that's why I make my porters usually somewhere between 3 and 5%. This one's a little bit on the low side for what I really like, but flavor is what matters. So I'm going to try it. Oh, wow. It's just, there's nothing wimpy about this. It's strong. It's got a great flavor. It tastes like a stout. This is the one that's supposed to taste a lot like Guinness. I personally think it's a little stronger than Guinness stout. It's not as smooth. It's got a sharper edge to it.
Yeah.
It's bolder is what it really is. But if you like Guinness stout, you'll love this. Now, the first time I made this, I didn't add the extra lactose. I don't know how much of a difference that really made. I don't think it did much.
We have had a conversation with a fellow member of our VIP club about using lactose, and he found that he was having similar issues as we were, where it wasn't really dissolving in the liquid. So what he did is he put it in...
Yep, there it is in the bottom of the bottle.
Yeah. He put it in during the heating process.
He did it during the boil. Right. I don't do a boil. This was raw. So I could do it during the mash in. Just to dissolve it.
And that way it helps dissolve it and make it incorporate into the beverage more.
But if you like dark beer, you like flavorful beer, not just, water that looks sort of like beer, you'll like this. And the thing about this is it's really, like, if you make it yourself, it's actually really reasonable.
Oh, yeah.
The pricing on this, generally a 6-pack is like $10 to $12, okay? For a decent craft dark beer, it's $10 to $12, sometimes more. This, I think it was like $1.50 for a 6-pack. It's like nothing. We made a gallon of it, and I literally think it cost us, I don't know, $12, $10, something like that. The same for a gallon as it costs for a 6-pack. That's so worth doing yourself. Buy the equipment once, you have it forever. Reuse the bottles. You can tell we just put it in a different bottle, but it's good. I like this.
Brian can continue going on about his love for dark beer, but the gist is it's good. It has all the requirements that you'd want to see in a beer,
we didn't do tasting notes. We just said it's good.
A complex, malty, grainy.
Yeah. It's very rich. It has a strong, almost a coffee flavor, but not quite coffee. It has that roasted malt flavor that is, I like it. That's probably why I like whiskey so much, because it has that similar feel to it. Actually, that's a really good corollary right here. This tastes a lot more like whiskey than many beers do. It has a lot of the same components, even though it wasn't oaked. Similar components. The way the acids and the tannins are working in it actually tastes a lot like
I can see that.
Like a whiskey, a carbonated whiskey.
It's like if coffee and whiskey had a carbonated baby, it would be that.
Yeah. I can't really give you much more notes on it. It's very strong, but like I say, if you like Guinness Stout, you'll like this. It's just that good. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to give us a like. If you want to see what we're up to all the time, hit subscribe. If you want to join our VIP on Facebook and get to interact with us one-on-one, join Subscribestar join Subscribestar or Patreon in the links below. Thanks for watching as always. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.